This morning, somewhere in the city, a boy woke up early. He could not sleep. He had a bag to pack, a flight to catch, a life waiting for him, somewhere far from here. Before all of that, before the airport, before the goodbye, he wanted to hold something, something that smelled like a home. So he opened a drawer and he found it. You are about to meet him and his family and his friends. We will laugh with them. I hope you will do. Laugh loudly because some mornings deserve to be remembered. Exactly, as they were ordinary, warm, full. Before they become something else, meet Swapna. It means dream. Farm Club presents Lost, Not Found.
There it is.
You're already awake?
Do not sleep, Mom.
This album is older than you.
I know that.
Your grandmother started it before I even married your father. She put photos of him at the time, then photos of our wedding, then you came. Stop now. Stop doing that.
Mom, you've already told this 1,000 times.
What is happening for 1,000 times? That I don't know about? Huh?
Like father, like son, you two won't never stop teasing me, right? Keep teasing me. I'll see who you're going to tease, but I'm not there.
Mom, that was to do. Don't go there now.
Yeah. How could we have the audacity to tease her majesty, the queen of our household?
What is happening here?
Look who is here, the princess.
What did you just say?
Nothing. Don't get angry. Your mother just called you a princess. Come, sit here.
Yeah, our royal family. A king, a queen, a princess, and a spoiled prince.
What?
Prince! I call you a prince, like you call me a princess?
Hold on. Stop it. Where is this conversation leading?
Her majesty has spoken. This is your name.
Mom, that. I need it. When I'm there, alone, in some room I have never seen, in some place where nobody knows me. I need something that holds me, something that proves I existed, that people. I don't know this.
Your father cried when you were born.
Papa?
He held you, looked at you, and cried. I had never seen him cry before, not at his own father's funeral.
No, kings don't cry.
Yeah, we can see it. He cries, just not when anyone can see.
Where then?
The bathroom. Late at night, when he thinks everyone is sleeping, when the shop wasn't doing well, when his mother died, when you were sick, he goes to the bathroom, runs in the water, and he cries.
How could you even know? When I never cry?
I'm your wife.
Oops!
The day your sister came home.
Why do I look like someone stole something from me?
Someone did. You were no longer the only one. For 5 years, you had everything. And suddenly, you had to share.
I don't remember being that angry.
You were furious for weeks. You would not even look at her. You would not see her name. And on top of that, you called her it. One day, you came to me, very serious. You had a plan. You said we should put her in a box, wrap it like a gift, and take it back to the hospital and tell them we made a mistake.
And what did you say?
I said the hospital doesn't take the returns.
And then?
You did not talk to me for 2 days. On the third day, you came and asked if we could trade. Maybe someone had a well they did not want. We could trade. Then one night, she was crying. She would not stop. I was so tired. I had not slept in days. I was sitting here, holding her, and crying myself. And you came. You climbed on the chair next to me. You looked at her for a long time. Then you put your hand on her head, very gentle. And you said, okay. You said, okay, she can stay. You said she's too small to go anywhere else. She'll get lost, so she should stay.
You said that?
I remember this. Boat was leaking.
The boatman kept saying, no problem, no problem.
And we were all throwing the water out.
Your sister was screaming.
I was just scared of swimming.
She almost strangled Baba.
I thought we were dying.
It was fun.
It was not fun.
Oh God, you do stop it.
Baba?
I borrowed money for that day. The shop was not doing well that year. But I had promised. You children were talking about it for months. So I went to my brother, told him some lies. He gave without asking. The whole trip, every meal, every tea cut, every ice cream, I was counting in my head. How much do I owe? How many months to pay back? You were all so happy, and I was sitting there adding numbers.
Why didn't you tell me?
What would you have done?
I don't know. Something.
You would have worried, enjoyed less. You were happy. That was enough. That has always been enough.
Baba. Bro! Bro? Uncle? Uncle? Uncle, I thought Swapna. Uncle, the high is same. Sorry, Uncle.
Good morning to you, young man.
Good morning, Uncle. I thought Swapna usually opens the door. Sorry, Uncle.
What he means is, good morning. Okay, here is Swapna.
Yeah, I can see. He's here.
Bro, shut up. Never speak of this. What are you doing here? What do you mean? We came to see you. You're leaving tonight. Gone. Finished. This is it.
I'm not dying, you idiot. I know when I'm leaving.
So what are you doing today?
Sitting, eating, waiting.
Waiting for what?
Life, what else?
So you're just gonna sit inside all day, stare at the suitcase and count the hours?
I don't know.
We thought maybe we could go out, walk around, spend some time.
Last memories, last hangout, last everything before you depart.
Have you seen what is happening today?
What do you mean?
Gathering.
How do you know about that?
Everyone knows about that. It was all over before the ban. It is all anyone was talking about.
What about it?
I want to go.
You want to go?
Yes. To the protest. It's not a protest. Just people walking, standing up, making a point. I'm leaving tonight for years, maybe forever. I don't know when I'm coming back. I do not know if I'm coming back. And today of all days, everyone my age is gathering, standing up, and I'm supposed to sit here and rest. Bro, your parents would not allow. I'm 23 years old.
Your flight is at 7.
I know when a flight is. We go, we see, we come back. We'll make it on time. What if something happens? What will happen? It is just people walking, maybe standing. This is my country. I grew up here. I want to be there. I want to be with them, standing up, not here. I have to go. I have to. I cannot leave without.
Where do you have to go?
What?
You said you have to go somewhere. Wait.
The mama place in Bhandaris. Also,
Momo place.
yeah, my favorite one. You know, what I used to go there when I was childhood. I want to go in there for the last time. Then.
Did anybody mention Bhandari's momo?
Yes, Dad.
You want to go and have Momo at Bhandari's before it leaves.
But I don't think it's safe outside. I heard of some protests.
It's absolutely safe there, uncle.
But
Mom, please one last time.
we come next time.
It's okay. Let them go. Have fun.
Be back at 4, I promise.
Relax, Mom. I'll be back by 3.
Be careful.
Where is Swapna?
He just went out.
But where?
To our favorite momo place.
By what time is he coming back? But why this idiot have to go to the all days?
What did he say?
Nothing, just tell me when he is back.
Alright.
What is my red pen?
He went inside with active room.
Please bring that file on the table as well.
Sure.
Good afternoon. I'm standing here at my Tigor Mandala, where something remarkable is unfolding. Behind me, you can see the thousands of young people gathered peacefully. The energy here is like anything I have witnessed in my career. They are calling it a gathering, not a protest. And looking at the faces, I understand why. They are, they are just chilling and raising their voice. People are chanting, singing, holding signs, and everyone is standing. They are raising for their voice to heard. The atmosphere is electric. People are chanting, singing, holding signs, and also some have brought their children, others have brought their parents. It's a family affair. A national awakening, and it is happening right here, right now, in the heart of our capital, Kathmandu.
Yes, that was.
Thank God it's not going there.
The police presence is visible but calm. There is no incidents reported so far. The organizers are urging to remain peaceful, and the crowd responding beautifully. It's a democracy in action. It's a voice of generation to be heard.
I don't think anything will go wrong here as well.
No, I don't have to go like we can do anything. Is that us?
If you are watching from home, I urge to come, be part of history, be part of.
Do you see this? Do you see how many people?
I see it. I see all of it.
There must be 1,000, 2,000.
More. Look at the side escape. People are still coming here.
I almost didn't come. I almost stayed home. I almost sat in my room and stared at my suitcase. But you didn't. But I didn't. This is why I'm here. This is why I was born. Right here, this exact moment. You're last in Nepal, and you did finally what something talking about. I'm always worth talking about. You're occasionally worth talking about. But this time, you're definitely worth talking about.
Your sister called. She called me 3 times.
Mine too. 4 missed calls. All of that? Nah. Crowd is too loud anyway, so you won't be able to hear me.
Lock Moran!
Not for enemies!
Lock Moran!
Not for enemies!
Lock Moran!
Not for enemies!
Enough is enough!
Enough is enough!
Enough is enough!
Enough is enough! Wait. Something is happening. I'm hearing.
Swapna! Swapna! Swapna, get up! Swapna! Swapna! What happened? Did you trip? Swapna! Get up! What is happening? What is happening? Swapna! Get up! What happened? Get up! Swapna! Swapna! Get up! Swapna! Swapna, what is happening? Swapna!
We have to get out of here now!
No, I'm not going anywhere.
They are shooting at us! We'll be killed! Come on!
You let them kill me. I will not run. I will not hide.
Please, they are dangerous!
We are not open. We are not open. No! No! Get up! Please, get up, Mara. This situation is out of control. There are bodies everywhere. I can see. I can count. I can't count. They are children. They are just weak. What have we done? What have we allowed to happen? Pippin, son, where are you? Where are you, Pippin? Son, where are you? He's not saying nothing to me. I'm sorry about the television. He was here. He was just smiling.
Son, where are you? Son,
I want my son. I want my son back. Please, bring him back to me. I shouldn't have let him go. I should have let him go. Please, bring him back to me.
it is not your fault.
Then whose?
I should have stopped him. I should have not let him go. I should have. Son.
Why you are not answering me? Where is he? Where is Dada?
We don't know. We are looking. We will find him.
He had his flight today. Babu, please, just come home. Just walk through the door. I'll not ask you anywhere. I'll not be angry. Please, just come home. Please.
I will find him. Somehow. Our son has to be home soon. He has to be. He has to be. Please,
Please, help us find our son.
please.
Please. Please, all we have. Please, everything. Please.
Please.
We came to tell my mother that her son is never coming home. At the door, she is watching, never open.
Who is going to tell her that her son is never going to return? That the boy she raised, the boy she carried, is now gone. But it's not just me. Look around. Fathers who lost sons, mothers who lost children, sisters who lost brothers. Who is going to answer for this? Who is going to be responsible? Will anyone be held accountable for what happened today?
These eyes that closed held so many dreams of change,
A brighter future.
of a country that listened to its youth.
We hope, we pray that justice will be served.
We are leaving you with questions.
Not answers. There are no answers, only questions. Will you remember? Will you act? Will you keep on continuing what you could not do? Will you? We are
We are
lost.
lost